commerce, we discussed that there are different actions, right? So today, let's see an action type called email type.
Email. This
Yeah.
one.
No, not that one. That is email designer. So it is similar to document designer. So in the document designer, we create templates and we dynamically populate content to generate documents. So
Okay.
similarly, email designer is also kind of similar tool where you can create email templates. You need to send emails to different people, maybe on the
Okay.
different situations. The type of email will be different, so that you can prepare a couple of templates and keep it ready, and basing on the situation you can send that email as well. So that email is related to steps, and define notification area will be there. That is different. So now what we are going to do is, in the commerce process, we are going to create a new type of action called email type of action.
Mm,
You
okay.
can open your commerce process, go to the process definition.
Document as a definition. Okay.
Yeah. So go to your commerce process. Okay. Go to the list of actions. Yeah. Go to the bottom and create a new action. Add a new action. Yeah. You can give some name, send email or something, any name, test email or anything. Yeah. And action type, you should select it as email.
Okay.
Click on add. Yeah. Come down and update it. Yeah. So now you created an email type of action. To use it, you need to keep this on the layout. So put this your new action on the layout editor.
Here only, right?
Yes. So first search your action. Yeah. Right side action. Expand your action section. Search for your action. Drag and drop it and put it at the top or anywhere where you prefer.
Okay, right?
Yeah. Anywhere is fine. Yeah. You can save and
The deploy, right?
yeah, we should deploy and just see on the real time code how it's coming and what is the use. Yeah, it got deployed. So open any of your codes and you can check. Okay. So now we are able to see our email action. Yeah, click on it. So there are three mandatory fields here. From is already filled. So it is maybe some user email which is there in this for this user in this instance. And to email you can write. and subject also you can write anything. And yeah, now you can click on email button. Oh wait, why it is getting error? It is not on the phone. Okay, maybe someone changed something. So let's do one thing. Okay, click on OK. So it is saying some document here. It is there, right? In the views section in the template. Click on that action again. Yeah, here last at last there is a field called views, right?
Yeah.
So here it is saying document a file or record for document, and in brackets it is printer friendly history. So it means this is a printer friendly XSL file which is created by someone. Okay, it got mapped
Okay.
here, and in that printer friendly XSL there is something missing. That's what the error is saying. If you can click on email, click on email. Okay, it is asking for required fields now. Yeah, just fill the details. Okay, subject also. Yeah, yeah. See, no template found with name proposal in approvers language preference English. So it is saying template is not found. So what kind of template it can be? We didn't create any template so far. But in this page, the only thing we can find is views is document. So there is a printer friendly XSL called document that is mapped to here. So in that document, this proposal is not there. So keep this page as it is. Don't disturb anything. Go to the new tab, different tab. Yeah. Open admin. Go to your commerce process. Okay. Yeah, here in the process no, in the process drop down itself. Yeah, in the process drop down there is something called printer friendly or history XSL views.
Okay.
Yeah, open it. Yeah, here the document is there, right? That document, that first file, it is showing there. Go to your other tab. Don't click on anything, just go to your other tab. Yeah, see below views document is there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the document is that printer friendly XSL file. Go to the first tab now. Okay, open it. Document. So here, okay, there is an error. That's why it is not coming. Failure to resolve document decision document and document is enough proposal. Mhm. Document document proposal. Okay. So what it is saying is there used to be a file called proposal, but that proposal file got deleted. So if you see below the error, there is a field called select document. In that document, you have some options. Drop down.
Yeah.
Document designer hyphen demo game process and Nagaraju something. So these two files are there. But earlier here, document designer hyphen proposal used to be there and it got selected,
Okay.
but that got deleted. Someone mapped that file here, and after mapping that file, it got deleted. That's why it is throwing error. Document designer hyphen proposal is not there. So one thing what we can do is select alternative documents here. Document designer Nagaraju or something, document designer demogram process. Or the other thing what we can do is go open admin tab in a new page. Yeah. So documents, whenever it is saying documents, it's always either documents, document engine, nothing but documents, or document designer, this link. So above document engine is anyhow deprecated, so we don't use it. So document designer is the only way. Open it, document designer. Here, select the commerce process, our commerce process at the top. So these documents are process specific. So whatever you are seeing, it should be reflecting the above commerce process. Yeah. So here we can see two things, Nagaraju something and the other one. So now it is saying document designer hyphen proposal, right? Proposal is missing. So let's create a document called proposal here. Click on plus and write the name as proposal. We should match the name proposal.
Proposal.
PROPOSAL. Yeah. Just click on OK. It will open the document. Yeah, just click on deploy. We don't need to add anything. So we are just fixing that issue, right? Okay, we deployed. Now go back to that XSL screen. Oh wait, it is not deployed. Go to the document is in a third tab. Yeah, just open it. Click on open it. Yeah, click on deploy. Yeah, go back, close. Yeah, it is deployed. Okay, go to the XSL file. Just refresh this page. Okay, see the options. Okay, yeah, document designer proposal. Now it is not getting an error because it could able to find a document designer called proposal. Yeah, now
Okay.
click on and yeah, you can deploy and deploy the commerce process. And again, let's test our email type of action on the UI. Email. So this is how we can send. And at the time of clicking the send email button, so we are seeing that pop up, right? So there some fields are there. Just click on send email.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here these are the fields, right? So go to the action, this email action in another tab. No, no,
Another.
not this one. Leave this page like this. In another admin tab, just open the email administration. Like go to the commerce process, list of actions, email action. Not email designer. Go to the commerce process, open process definition. Yeah, commerce process. Open the list of documents. Yeah, main document actions. Yeah, email action, test email or send email, something you created. Yeah, send email action. So here, if you see the fourth tab, email fields. Yeah, so these are the fields you are seeing in the pop-up.
Yeah.
So if you want to give any in the real time, you can enter those values. For example, if you want to write a send email to which person it should send an email, so you can define two addresses here,
Okay.
like that. Whatever the subject you want, whatever the comment you want, so all the things you can define it here. So give two address as your name or something. So it always whenever you are on the transaction, it always shows by default your address. Whatever the address you give here, it will show there. So these
How
are the
to
fields.
give this define function, right?
Yes, click on define function. Come to the bottom. These are all rule inputs. If you want, you can select any rule inputs. Otherwise, you can simply skip them and go to the bottom and click on next. So here, the return statement at the top, the warning expected return type should be
String.
string. Yeah. So we need to return a string here. Use the return keyword. Yeah. In every BML script, return is almost mandatory. Yeah. Return in the double quotations, write your email ID or something.
Okay.
You don't need to write original one, or you can say whatever the thing, dummy or anything. Yes. So save and apply. So whenever you use this action, you will see that automatically populated on your pop-up
Okay.
email pop-up.
I don't give, but just yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And one more thing, in the pop-up at the last, you are seeing views, right? A field called views, and there it is showing document something is mapped. Printer friendly SSL view got mapped, right? So how it gets is, go to the yeah, click on send email action.
Yeah.
Last one, yeah. So in the views, document printer friendly SSL called document got mapped. So how it gets mapped? Go to the other tab, admin action. Yeah, scroll up. So here there is one more tab called SSL views. Third tab. Yeah. So here you will map that. So before you map your XSL file, printer friendly XSL file here, you need to create your own printer friendly XSL there.
Okay.
In the process, you have printer friendly XSL, right? Open admin tab in the new tab. Yeah, go to the administration, commerce process. Yeah, in the commerce process drop down, printer friendly XSLs. Yeah, similar to document, you need to create one more file here. That file, it will appear in the XSL views tab of your action, admin action.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how we'll handle the email type of action. Similarly,
Okay.
uh, like in past we saw document designer, right? So in the document designer, we opened it, we created a template, and we can put whatever the fields we want. But we created a document template, but how it will be accessed in real time? Open the document designer in a new tab. I believe we created a document in commerce process, select the commerce process. Yeah, yeah. So okay, we didn't apply it. Game summary document is as only, I guess. Open it. Yeah. So this is what we created. So you created a document, but how you will see this in the real time? We can't access the document
Okay.
directly. So similarly,
Yeah.
is an action for the same. So we have different types of actions, like we saw modify type of action, submit type of action, and sometimes like email type of action. Similarly, to access this document, we have something called print type of action. So go to the actions list and create one print type of action.
Here only, right?
Yeah, in the actions commerce process, go to process definition, admin page, process definition, navigate to our commerce process in the list of documents, main document actions. Yeah, go to the bottom and create a new action called which is of type print. Yeah, you can say generate document or anything, printed document or anything is fine.
Print, right? Print.
print type of action. Yes.
Mm.
Yeah. Update it and put this action on the layout. No, not here. Not this layout. Your transaction layout.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Go to the admin page. Yeah. Process definition. The commerce process. List of documents. Main document. Layout. Layout. Yeah. So here you can add your newly created print type of action. You can put it beside your send email action. It will be handy. Is our action generate document only?
Yeah.
Okay. And one more thing, go to the document sorry, editor once. No, not this one. Layout editor. Yeah, here you kept your two actions in two different places. That's why two different toolbars got created, or action strips got created. No, go to the layout editor. Yeah. So when you are dropping your action, you dropped at different place. So that's why if you see two containers, you can see two action strips. So just click on this generate document. Not here, here on the left side.
Okay.
Yeah, click on into mark. Yeah, so now you removed it from the layout. Okay, so again select the generate document and not drop it beside the send email. Just drop it on the send email container. Whenever you drop an action, it will also create a action bar as well. You can say toolbar or action strip. Scroll little closer. Yes. So you see the difference. Earlier, for two actions, two containers got created because you
Yeah.
dropped it in place. So now in the same container, your two actions are there.
Okay.
That is the difference. Like if you don't have a container, whenever you're dropping an action, it will create a container automatically. But earlier it is not the case. You need to from the layout elements, you need to drag, you need to create the action strip manually. You need to place it. Then only you can place your actions in past. So now, even though you don't have a container, whenever you drop an action somewhere, it will automatically create a container there itself. So earlier you placed it different place, that's why it created two containers. Now you're using the same container. You placed your second action in the first container itself. That is the difference. Yeah,
Okay.
you can save and see it on the output. I mean the layout, real time transaction. Yeah. So on clicking on this printer type of action, we are getting something, some document it is showing. But how
Yeah.
it will, on clicking of this action, which document it should show. So let's go to the action again. Yeah, open
Here
your
only.
printer type of, yeah, here it's a printer type of action. Not send email, generate document or something you created, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, open it. Yeah, here at the top, XSL views is there, right?
Yeah.
Similar to email type of action, here also we'll have XSL views tab, but here you don't have that email fields other tab. Here only you will see XSL views tab. So in the XSL
Yeah.
views tab, here we need to select XSL views. So it's already selected document as XSL views here. So that's why it is link showing whatever is there in the document file. So you can go to uh, printer friendly XSLs and see what is there in the document. Go to the admin page in the new tab, go to the printer friendly XSLs of your commerce process and open the document and see which file is mapped in the document. Yeah, document. There, proposal got mapped. So proposal is the document designer file we just got created and uh, we kept nothing in it and we just added it, right? So that's why it is showing an
Yeah.
empty page. So what you can do is here, go to the document designer in the new tab, generate summary document. Did we deploy this?
No, this one we can deploy.
Yeah, deploy it. So now refresh your XSL page. We should see that option as well. Yeah, refresh this page. Yeah, see option. Yeah, change summary document. Yeah, update and deploy, and let's see on the real time. So this is how we will map which document should be shown on print type of action and which document should be sent as an attachment in the email type of action with the help of printer friendly XSLs. Yeah. So now we are able to see our document. This is what we created in our document.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how we can map. So
Okay.
yeah, go to the any of the transaction. Yeah, here. So we are attaching documents which are there in the document designer, and we are sending it in the email with the help of printer friendly views, and we
No.
are filling some mandatory fields like to address, from address, and some subject and some comment and all these things. So we are good with the email type of action. And similarly for print type of action, whatever the document we created in the document designer, we are able to display it for the end user. But
Okay.
uh, type of action, one email type of action, and in all these things we didn't see what is the use of email templates, right? In the administration page you can see email template section. We are done with using the email action, but we still didn't see any use of it, right?
Okay.
So what, let's go to the admin section once. Open admin tab in a new tab. So there is something called email designer. It behaves similar to the document designer in terms of UI. Yeah. So here also you can select your commerce process and you can create your files. I mean, whatever the templates you want, you can create. So now, how you will use this? So you don't use this in the email action. You can use this in a different place called steps. So go to the administration page. Yeah, admin page. Yeah, process definition. Your commerce process. Yeah, in the commerce process drop down. No, go to the commerce process drop down. Don't open the list of documents. Yeah, in this drop down there is something called steps. Click on steps. Yeah, open it. So these are all the list of steps on the left side you can see. So try to expand one of the steps. You can expand start step or any other step. Yeah. So now under the step, what you're seeing is their participant profiles. So you can expand any of the participant profile once. So under the participant profiles, what you are seeing is the list of actions mapped here. So you can expand any of the action ones. So under the action, whatever you are seeing is they are called as transition rules. The use of transition rules is whenever you are on the transaction, if you want to move the stage of the transaction from one to another to proceed it further and to make it easier for the tracking purposes, you need the help of this transition rules. So what
Okay.
this transition rule is saying, so whenever you click on save, it will take the transaction from start step to in progress step. So just double click on the save to in progress action, in progress rule. Yeah, see whatever the logic is there on the transition rule, that is on the right side now. So above you can see name of the transition rule, and description you can leave it as empty, it is not mandatory. Conditions you can mark it as always true, or condition if you want you can keep it condition as well. So the last thing, important thing is to which step you want to go. So there it is marked in progress step, so that's why it will go to in progress step. When it will go to in progress step, if anyone clicks on save action, will it
Okay.
work all the time? No. Whoever the people come under admin profile, those for those only it will work. If you are not falling under admin profile, it won't work. And when it
Oh,
will work, whenever you click this save action, if you are admin profile user and if you are in the start step, then only it will work. For example, if you are in the in progress step and if you are clicking on the save action, it won't go to in progress step, because that is not the logic. If that kind of logic is there in progress step as well, then it will work. Until and unless it won't work. So
okay.
what we saw already in like past also, like these steps and its uses. But here there is something called define notification at the bottom. Right side bottom you can see define notification. So what is the use of this button is whenever this transition is happening from start step to in progress step or in progress step to pending approval step or any transaction from one stage to another stage it is going. So in that time, at the time of the transition, this instance can send a notification to us. That is this feature. So you can send an XML if you want to send XML file, you can send, or you can send an email also. So check on email action, send email. So here also you will see different fields similar to the email pop-up you saw, email action. Similar to that, you can see different fields here. But come down, come to the bottom. Yeah, here you can see left side field called email content. Use email template. Check that checkbox. Email content. Use email template. Check that checkbox. Yeah. So under that there is a drop down now. So click on the drop down. Yeah. So this is what you are having in your email designer. So that file it is showing. So open email designer in a new tab. Keep this file. Keep this tab as it is. Go to the yeah email designer. Yeah. Add one more file. Give some junk name or text name or anything. New email template or test email template, anything. Yeah, click on OK. Yeah, deploy. So this is almost the same as document designer editor, but few features won't be there. That's it. So now refresh this page and see email template drop down. Click on send email checkbox. Yeah, go to the email section, email content. Check that checkbox. Yeah. So
Okay.
this is where you can use your email templates or email designer section. You need to create the template there. That template will reflect here, and whatever the template you want you can select here. So this
Okay.
is you can access email designer. and document designer, and email type of action, print type of action, and sending notifications at the time of during the step transition. So step transition we discussed it, right? So you selected this email template. So you can see, go to the email editor, email designer. Yeah, here open our email template. Mm, Subject, edit the text element. So you can write here. Uh, you can ignore attributes if you want. Like you can map it later. So here for now, for testing purpose, what you can say is start to in progress transition happened. You can write something like that. Start to no, not part two. Start step. Start to in progress step transition. What happened?
Okay. Transition. That's okay, right?
Yes, start to in progress step transition. What happened or something? Anything. That's fine. Just for testing purpose, you can click on OK. Yeah. Deploy. Yeah. So now go to our step transitions once. Steps administration page. Did we select that send email? Okay. Yeah, email testing template. Yeah. Click on OK. Save. 1 minute. Address we need to send. Okay. Go to the top. Recipients send email address. You can write. Yeah.
Can I give your name? Because
Yeah. Give mine. Uh, yes.
deploy, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, done.
Yeah. So now this is not just an action click on the UI. So this notification or email we can see when the step transition gets happened, right? So just
Yeah,
go to the transaction manager and create a new transaction. New transaction above new transaction action. Yeah. So now we must be in the start step. So you can click on wait. So from start step we need to go to in progress step. So save button you need to click. We saw that save on save action, right? So click on the save action at the top. The first action, save action. Click on it. Is it done?
yeah, done.
Okay. 1 minute. Let me do. Yeah, I just received with the subject called start to in progress step transition.
Okay.
Yeah, we wrote the transition spelling wrong. It's reflecting here. So that is how it will happen. So it's not sending an email directly, but it's just kind of a notification or alert to the respective user. For example, in real time, if any transaction is waiting for approvals, for example, customer is doing this transaction and it went for pending for approval step. So then you can send a notification to your sales manager or account manager or someone, hey, there is a transaction and it is waiting for approval. As soon as you land on that step, it can send a notification saying it is in the pending for approval step, or it just got submitted. You have some action, or you have some notification, something like that. We can communicate to the respective team.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the one more way of notifying different people, and with the help of email templates. You don't. It's not mandatory to use email designer here. You can just fill whatever the fields you want manually. You can send them as well. Otherwise, you want to use any predefined template, you can check the checkbox and you can send.
Okay.
Yeah.
Send XML means like entire process XML it will send, right? What is this XML?
Not process XML, just transaction XML.
Yeah, transaction. Okay.
Yeah. So that is how we can send different types of notification here. And so, do you have any questions so far?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Yeah. So like I'm good for today. Like if you have any questions, like we can discuss. Otherwise, like we can connect at a later point of your next session.
Yeah, tomorrow I'm free if you are like
Yeah. Do you have meeting today also?
today evening.
Acha. At what time around?
No, today evening no. Tomorrow
Okay,
is
okay,
all day.
okay. Tomorrow,
Mm.
like at what time?
Anytime. Tomorrow is anytime as well.
Acha, tomorrow
I,
full day you are available.
yeah, full day.
Acha, okay, okay, fine, fine. So yeah, that's fine. Then yeah, we can conclude for today and we can connect tomorrow.